to Module 2 of Toyota Thinking for Office Operations. In Module 1, we learned that office work is also a process. We understood internal customers, value, waste, visual management, and standard work. Now we will focus on improvement. Toyota Thinking in Office Operations is not about making people work faster with more pressure. It is about making the process clearer, smoother, and more reliable. It helps reduce waiting, rework, unnecessary approvals, repeated follow-up, and unclear handovers. In this module, we will learn how to map office processes, measure lead time, identify bottlenecks, create standard work, use visual controls, apply FIFO, reduce handoffs, mistake-proof office work, and conduct daily review. Welcome to Module 2. In this module, we will learn practical methods to improve office operations using Toyota Thinking. The focus is to make office work visible, standard, timely, and customer-focused. The first step is to map the current process. Write down how the work actually happens, not how we assume it happens. Include request receipt, data checking, approval, processing, output release, record update, and customer communication. Lead time is the total time from request received to request closed. In office work, examples include PR to PO time, recruitment request to joining, invoice receipt to payment, complaint receipt to closure, and document request to release. After mapping the process, identify where the work waits. Work may wait for approval, data, clarification, document, system access, vendor response, decision, or signature. A bottleneck is the point that slows down the full office process. It may be one approver, incomplete inputs, repeated clarification, manual entry, system delay, document mismatch, vendor response delay, or unclear ownership. Standard work defines how recurring office work should be done. It should clearly mention steps: owner, input requirements, format, timeline, approval level, escalation rule, output, and records. Visual control makes work status visible. A simple tracker can show whether a request is received, in progress, pending with another department, pending approval, delayed, escalated, completed, or closed. FIFO means first in, first out. In office work, requests should generally be processed in the order received, unless priority or emergency is clearly defined. FIFO prevents old requests from. Every handoff creates a chance for delay or error. Too many handoffs can cause miscommunication, unclear ownership, repeated follow-up, lost documents, and rework. Reduce unnecessary movement of work between people. Mistake-proofing means preventing errors before they move forward. In office work, this can be done using checklists, mandatory fields, standard templates, drop-down options, document checklists, auto alerts, and validation rules. Daily office review should focus on new requests, pending requests, delayed items, aging status, top reasons for delay, escalated items, and completed items. Each action should have an owner and target date. Kaizen means continuous improvement. In office work, small improvements can reduce approval steps, eliminate duplicate entry, improve file naming, reduce search time, automate reminders, or simplify reports. Digital tools can support office flow when used properly. They can help request tracking, approval workflow, document control, auto reminders, dashboards, data accuracy, escalation alerts, and record retrieval. Let us take an HR recruitment example. Recruitment request to joining takes too long. On analysis, the team finds incomplete manpower request, approval delay, JD clarification, interview scheduling delay, candidate follow-up delay, and no visual tracker. The improved process includes standard manpower request format, clear approval timeline, JD template, interview calendar discipline, recruitment dashboard, and weekly aging review. Let us recap. Toyota Thinking helps office teams improve flow by mapping processes, measuring lead time, identifying waste, standardizing work, making status visible, and solving problems continuously. You have completed Module 2 of Toyota Thinking for Office Operations. Remember, support functions directly affect manufacturing performance. When office work flows better, shop floor support improves, decisions become faster, and internal customers are served better.